Hi viewers, Samanath Small Steps Studio channel. Before going to the video, today's tidbit. The trading industry keeps draining huge amounts of money from the market. Exchange, regulator, brokers and advisors and live off the markets. So though the trader making money or not, the huge money is going away by the way of exchange fees, regulator fees, brokerage, advisory, so all this stuff. So that's what author come to say. So in spite of all this thing, whether we are making money or not, we have to keep this mind. So we have to be highly knowledgeable and skillful to make the money. Okay, now we'll go to the video. Before that, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. In long term, that will make you a professional trader and investor. So now we'll go to the video. The Nifty closed 28 point positively at 19,811. So one stage it was close to 80 points down, and it given a fear that Nifty may close in the negatively. But it gave very good rebound and shows that still I have the potential and gets. So that's what the Nifty showed here today. Before going to the market statistics, on the left side the top gainers and losers are there. So you have a pause the video and have a glance on it. Now we'll go to the statistics. So today 2590 stocks traded. In that 1059 stocks ended positively, 1417 stock ended negatively, 114 stock prices are unchanged. 108 stocks touched the upper circuit limit, 63 stocks touched the lower circuit limit. So this number yesterday it was quite low, now it is increased. And similarly 140 stocks touched the 52-week high and 14 stocks touched the 52-week low. So yesterday this number was very close to 200. Day before yesterday it was close to 200. Yesterday it was I think 193. So now if you see it's close to more than 55 point gap, 52 number it is a gap. Just a moment. So though this ratio is reduced, so this one thing we have to concern, that we have to keep in mind. Okay, now we will see who is the best contributor, top 2 contributor to the Nifty and top 2 negative contributor to the Nifty. If you say Infosys contributed 14.9 points positive contribution and ITC 7.88 points positive contribution. In the negative side, HDFC Bank minus 8.64 and Kotak Bank minus 7.48 points negative contribution. And FID data. So as usual, while recording this video, the data doesn't come. Usually the data comes after 6 o'clock. But I try to record this video as soon as possible, immediate after the market. So that is the reason continuously we are not getting the data. Okay, anyway, till yesterday the FII or the net seller of 7,675 crores and DI net buyer of 8,501 crores. So these are the previous data for a day wise for your glance. Similarly, the month wise data you can have a glance. You can have a pause the video and have a glance. Now we will go to the chart. If you say the Nifty, the previous close is 19,783 and today opened 784, almost a flat opening. Then the market rallied till 19,825, but it couldn't be able to sustain there. From there it has started falling. So from the high, if you see close to 120 point it has come down. So that caused a panic whether the Nifty lost its completely the upper side momentum. But after 12:30 there is a bit recovery. Even after, if you see 2:15 on, there is a very good rally. So that makes that shows the Nifty that it has the still positive momentum and gets to go towards 20,000. So at the end it 28 point positively closed at 19,811. So we'll see the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty, the previous close 43,689, open at 43,663. So there is a small gap down, but couldn't be able to sustain and could it able to progress in the positive side? Completely it is in the negative side. If you see at one stage it has gone down to 43,230. So from the high, if you see, more than 400 point in the negative. Then after 12:30 on, it gave a bit recovery. So but still, like Nifty, it unable to completely recover the previous close. At the end, if you see, it closed minus 239 points, ended at 43,449, 450, we can say that. So this about intraday. Now we will see day chart for the trend. Yeah, if you see, this is the Nifty chart. So Nifty, the immediate support is 19,600. So now it is 19,800. So it is 200 plus, more than 200 point plus. It is away from the support. So that is one of the positive thing we can say, that the recent high is 19,875. So this will act as a immediate psychological resistance. So I think that in intraday it won't penetrate this level and have the close. So I think to cross this level, it may have a gap up opening and have the close in the above that. So that's what I feel. Let me see how the market reacts. So if that happens, the 20,000 would be the immediate resistance, the next target. So I don't think so this will go beyond 20,000 by this expiry. The reason is, if you see the max span based on the monthly conduct, it is 19,700. And another big reason is, if you see in the monthly conduct, the highest call open interest return at 20,000. So this will act as a immediate resistance. So if it closes above that, this will all this turn in the money. So that writer doesn't like that. So with that perspective, I am saying that the Nifty won't close above this level for this monthly. And the next highest open interest at put option is as 19,000. So the downside in 5 days it won't come here. The closure probably it may happen at this level, 19,800. So now it's showing 19,700. At the max it may happen here, or it may happen to 19,700 as it's showing. Now we'll see the bank chart, Bank Nifty chart. So the immediate resistance is 44,000. The immediate support is 43,000. So there are a lot of probability the market may close, the expiry may close between 43 and 44. So if it breaks the 43,000, the next support at 42,000. This is act as a psychological support as also. Now we will see the max span. It is 43,500. And if you see the open interest chart, the highest call and highest put at 43,500. So the max span also is, this is the place. So this also one of the reason I am saying that the market may close between 44 and 43,000. So 44, if you see the next highest open interest call open interest at 44,000. So if market closes above that, all this become the in the money. So that doesn't writers doesn't like that. Similarly, if you see the next highest open interest rate on put side, it is a 43,000. So the market, the maximum, the lot of probability around 43,500 plus or minus 200 point it may closes. So this is about Bank Nifty. So we cannot judge the market based on the large cap. We have to consider mid and small and micro cap index. So with that respect, we will see mid and small index as well. So today the mid and small 400 index closed 25 point negatively at 14,673. Similarly, micro cap index 78 point, it is closed negatively. So this two index giving some worry, because so far this make all time high in the previous days, but today it ended negatively and couldn't be able to all time high. So though we cannot able to see the bearishness here, but we able to see the it losing the momentum in the upper side. So if it losing the momentum, and the next supported for 14,500. So if that breaks 14,500, the Nifty downtrend will starts. Similarly, if you see the micro cap index, so that also losing the momentum. So the next support at 17,000, exact at 17,000. If it closes below 17,000, the Nifty definitely will turn in the downside. So the next support, we can say that it is this level around 15,700, and 15,700 16,000, because this is a psychological resistance support also. So these two index we have to have a concern on this, but there is no negativity, but it losing the momentum. So that is the thing. If you see the US market, yesterday the Dow closed to 62 point negatively, and the S&P 500 9 points negatively, though it's not a big negatively, but still the market performing very well. By the time of recording, if you see the UK market and Euro market, both are flatly trading. Now we'll see the Dow chart. See, yesterday it very thinly traded, both Dow and S&P 500 both are thinly traded. So maybe they are in the holiday mood. So tomorrow they have a Thanksgiving holiday, and the day after tomorrow reduced to trading hour. So these two things I think reflecting in the thin trade. So still the US market in bullish, there is no negativity we able to see. So it is still in the bullish side. So this is giving the hope the Nifty don't have a huge downside fall. Maybe some pullback we can see that, but there is no huge negativity. So I hope this video will be informative and useful to you. Please do subscribe and like and share with your friends, so that will you motivate to me to do better. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.